Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports Qi charging. Most iPhones from iPhone 8 onward do. Once confirmed, attach the charger to a reliable power adapter and plug it into a live outlet. Why? Because unstable power causes slow or failed charging. Make sure you remove thick cases or magnetic mounts so the phone sits flush. Place the phone on the pad centered. You want the charging coil under the iPhone to align with the pad for efficient energy transfer. Once the phone is placed, check the status. Look for the charging sound, on-screen indicator, or pad LED. These confirm energy is flowing. You should feel or hear the MagSafe snap if using that type. If not, slide slightly until the animation appears. If the phone charges but slowly, make sure the adapter is high enough wattage and the cable length is minimal to reduce voltage drop. Also, avoid placing the pad near other electronics that may interfere with the magnetic field. Once charging proceeds, monitor it briefly to ensure steady current and expected speed. Optimized charging can pause at 80% to protect battery, so that's normal. If nothing happens, swap in a different pad or phone to identify whether the charger or iPhone is at fault. Make sure to restart the iPhone and check for iOS updates. Software glitches can disable wireless charging. Finally, remove any remaining thin metal stickers or debris and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.